Hello friends, hope you are fine. Today I am going to discuss Junior English book 3 page number 30 and today's topic is a find for Carlos. It's actually a comprehension. We know the rules of comprehension. First time we have to read this extract and after that we'll find some question and we have to answer this question. So let's start. What is written here? See, in this place a find for Carlos. The brindle puppy wandered on a little further, coming to a crack in the ground which was lined with a few blades of grass and wildflowers. A trickle of water drew her attention, and this she leapt after half choking herself before realizing how to use her tongue, and then she curled up on a patch of grass which had dried in the sun and fell asleep. It was there that Carlos found her later that afternoon. He lived in a block of flats beyond the cottages and had wandered that way out of sheer curiosity and boredom. Too new to the district to have made any friends, time lay heavily on his hands. That Sunday afternoon, he was 13, too young according to his 16-year-old brother to share his pursuits lonely. He found the crack in the ground along which the narrow dirty stream trickled, and because there was a little bit of grass and a few flowers, he thought there might be frogs or lizards or something. When he first saw the brindle puppy, he thought she was dead, but then he saw the tiny flanks heap and picked her up, his heart jumping with excitement at his find. The deserted place, her bedraggled condition, made him sure that she belonged to no one. He pushed her inside his anorak and turned for home, his instinct being to get away from the place as soon as possible, just in case someone came for her. Just a dog, Helen Griffiths, the writer. And here there are some questions. First question is, how can you tell that the puppy was very young? Here in this place we will find this one. A trickle of water drew her attention, and at this she leapt after half choking herself before realizing how to use her tongue. It means the puppy had not learned to use her tongue. So this will be the answer. Answer of first question we can write in this place, that is, the puppy had not learned to use her tongue. Next one. What buildings did Carlos pass on his way to the puppy? This is the second question. Let's find out its answer. In this place it's written, see, it was there that Carlos found her later that afternoon. He lived in a block of flats beyond the cottages and had wandered that way out of sheer curiosity and boredom. From this place we can write, Carlos passed some cottages on his way to the puppy. So here in this place we can write two number here we can write, that is, Carlos passed some cottages. Carlos passed some cottages on his way to the puppy. 3 number. Why had Carlos wandered out that afternoon? Let's see. In the same line we are getting here, he lived in a block of flats beyond the cottages had wandered that way out of sheer curiosity and boredom. So answer will be Carlos had wandered out because he was bored and curious. So let's write the answer. In this place we can answer a 3-number question, that is Carlos had wandered out because he was bored and curious. 3 number we have done. Now 4 number, why had he not made any friends? Here say in this place, too new to the district to have made any friends. So the answer will be phone number we can write in this place, that is he was too new to the district to have made any friends. Now this is number 5. Why did Carlos' brother not want his company? Let's see where it is written. He was 13 too young, according to his 16-year-old brother, to share his pursuits lonely. So here we can write its answer. It will be Carlos' brother thought him too young to share his interests and pastimes. So here we can write 5 number, that is Carlos' brother thought him too young to share his interests and pastimes. Next one, 6 number, see. What did Carlos expect to find in the crack? See here, he found the crack in the ground along which the narrow dirty stream trickled, and because there was a little bit of grass and a few flowers, he thought there might be frogs or lizards or something. So what did he think here? He thought, means Carlos thought, he might find frogs or lizards in the crack in the ground. So we can write it here. This is 6 number. What Carlos thought he might find frogs or lizards in the crack in the ground. Next number, 7 number, see. How did he know the puppy was alive? Here we're getting its answer. Here see, when he first saw the brindle puppy, he thought she was dead. But then he saw the tiny flanks heap and picked her up. So we can write 7 number here. That is, Carlos knew that the puppy was alive. Carlos knew that the puppy was alive because he saw her flanks hip. Because he saw her flanks hip. Flanks hip. Next number, 8 number C. Why did he feel sure that the puppy had no owner? Here we're getting the deserted place, her bedraggled condition made him sure that she belonged to no one. So here we can write 8 number questions answer. We can write he was sure that the puppy had no owner because of her bedraggled condition and the deserted place where she was found. Now this is 9 number. Why did he want to go as soon as possible? Here see, it is written, he pushed her inside his anorak and turned for home, his instinct being to get away from the place as soon as possible, just in case someone came for her. So this is the answer, 9 number answer we can write here, 9 number. That will be Carlos wanted to leave the place as soon as possible, in case someone came for the puppy. Now 10 number, see what is written here. Extended writing. Imagine you are Carlos. Where do you take the puppy? Describe what happens. So it's your answer. You will try at your home to write this answer. So we have done actually today page number 30 from Junior English book 3, and today we have done one comprehension, that is a find for Carlos. Next day we will do page number 31, and there the topic we'll find, that is prefixes. So bye for today.